how to make a poll on Instagram in 2022. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me and watch this until the very end because you don't want to make any mistakes or miss some steps. So now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And before doing so, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video because here I'm trying to provide you with solutions for problems you may have online. So guys, let's head over to Instagram, and here please tab on this plus right here, and then let's go to story. Tab on story, here choose an image. So here guys, choose an image. This one, and now tab please on this icon right here, and now please select poll. Now we can ask a question here. Do you like dogs? And yes or yes. Or another question is another option, yes or yes, 100%. Okay, so now tab on next, your story, tab on done, and now people here can choose. Now guys, now visitors can choose an option. Okay, I hope guys this video helped. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how to videos. See you in the next one. Take care.